Onboarding multiple employees doesn't have to be a stressful process. With the right system in place, you can streamline it and ensure everyone gets up to speed quickly without burning out. In this 3-minute guide, I'll show you how to onboard multiple employees efficiently with zero stress. Stay tuned because I'll also share an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using, so you can follow along and make your onboarding even easier. The first thing to do when onboarding multiple employees is to plan ahead. You want to create a structured, repeatable process that can be used every time. This means defining clear roles, goals, and expectations for your employees right from day one. If you don't have a defined process, it'll feel chaotic, and that's when stress creeps in. So, map out each step from the moment they sign their contract to the day they're fully integrated into the team. The next step is to automate as much as possible. Onboarding tools are there to save you time and prevent errors. We've all used a bunch of software options, but the software we'll be using here has the right balance of automation and flexibility. With it, you can automate document signing, training modules, and even scheduling, which cuts out manual work and reduces the chance of confusion. Don't forget communication. Regular check-ins and feedback loops are essential. You can't just throw them into the deep end and hope they swim. Set up weekly catch-ups or even daily check-ins, especially for the first few weeks. This keeps them engaged, gives them a chance to ask questions, and ensures they're progressing the way you want them to. Next, assign mentors or buddies within your team. Having someone experienced available for the new employees to ask questions helps build confidence and eliminates unnecessary stress for everyone. This peer support can make a huge difference in how quickly your new hires adapt to the company culture and their roles. Also, don't forget the power of a central hub for resources. Make sure new employees have easy access to all training materials, tools, and key information in one place. Using our software will help you create this hub, which acts as a self-service resource for your new hires. When they can easily access everything they need, it cuts down on repetitive questions and allows them to get up to speed faster. Now, let's talk about feedback. Regular feedback sessions during onboarding will help you gauge if your new hires are struggling or excelling. Catch issues early and don't wait until the end of the onboarding process. Early feedback will help guide them and prevent them from feeling lost, and this is where the software comes in handy for tracking progress. Finally, make sure the onboarding process ends with a review or checklist to ensure everything is covered. You don't want any important tasks or training left out. This is the final step to tie everything together and make sure your new employees are truly ready to go. Key takeaway: to onboard multiple employees with no stress, focus on creating a clear automated process, provide mentorship and communication, and keep everything organized in one place. Use software to streamline repetitive tasks, stay on top of feedback, and ensure a successful onboarding experience. Before we close, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we used in this video. The link is in the description below. It's perfect if you want to follow along and implement everything we've discussed today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.